Today, I'm taking on the challenge of controlling all my devices with just one remote from SofaBaton. Can I simplify my setup and finally ditch the clutter? Let's find out. I've got a confession to make. My coffee table is a mess of remotes. I've got one for the TV, another for the soundbar, and yet another for the streaming device. It's like a remote control graveyard. Every time I want to watch something, I have to dig through this pile and hope I find the right one. It's frustrating, to say the least. We've all been there, juggling multiple remotes, trying to figure out which one does what. It's like they have a mind of their own. You end up with a bunch of batteries lying around, and still, you can't seem to get the right device to turn on. I've lost count of how many times I've had to restart the whole system just to get everything working. The worst part is when you're in the middle of your favorite show, and you need to switch to a different input. You pause the show, put down the remote, and go dig out the other one. It's like a never-ending cycle. And don't even get me started on trying to use them in the dark. It's like playing a guessing game. I'm sure I'm not the only one who's had this problem. How many of you out there are dealing with the same remote control chaos? Are you tired of the clutter and the hassle? The SofaBaton remote promises to change all that. It's designed to control multiple devices, so you can say goodbye to the remote jungle. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it's easy to use and set up. You can customize the buttons to fit your needs, and it's compatible with a wide range of devices. Setting up the SofaBaton remote is a breeze. You simply download the app, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. The app walks you through the process, and before you know it, you're controlling all your devices with one remote. It's that easy. One of the things I love about the SofaBaton remote is its macro capabilities. You can create custom commands to perform multiple actions with just one button press. For example, you can set it up to turn on the TV, soundbar, and streaming device all at once. It's incredibly convenient. The SofaBaton remote also has a built-in display, so you can see what you're doing at a glance. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. You can even use voice commands to control your devices, which is super handy. Let's see the SofaBaton remote in action. I'm going to switch between my TV and soundbar, and show you how seamless the transition is. I'm also going to use the voice command feature to change the channel. As you can see, the SofaBaton remote makes it easy to control all my devices. No more digging through a pile of remotes or getting up from the couch. It's a game changer. SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote Control with Hub and App, all-in-one universal remote for Smart TVs, DVD, Blu-Ray, STB, projector and more, custom activities, compatible with Alexa/Google Assistant. Brand SofaBaton. Special feature backlit, glow-in-the-dark button, lightweight, pre-programmed, rechargeable. Color black. Max number of supported devices 60. Compatible devices DVD/Blu-ray player, home theater, set-top box, streaming device, television. Powerful real-time updating code library. The SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote Control supports over 500,000 devices across 6,000 brands, including IR, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi devices. With a continuously updated database, it ensures seamless control over multiple remotes for an effortless experience. One-click activity. SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote enables one-click activity-based control of your home entertainment system. Tap an activity like watch movie to automatically power on and switch devices like your TV, AV receiver, and Blu-ray player to the right settings. Ultimate control anywhere in the room. The X1S hub delivers powerful 360-degree infrared signaling with a robust range of up to 40 feet, allowing effortless control of your devices from anywhere in the room without needing to aim your remote at the devices. Equipped with 2 IR blasters, it eliminates signal blind spots and ensures uninterrupted connectivity. You can even hide the hub in a cabinet for a clutter-free entertainment area. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, our X1S Universal TV remote allows you to control various devices with voice commands effortlessly. Whether it's turning devices on or off, or switching between different activity scenes, everything can be easily achieved. Customize buttons and macro functions. Sleek and simple design reduces button clutter, making operation more intuitive and efficient. Easily set up favorite channels and customize buttons via the app for quick, one-touch access. Utilize macro functions to simplify your workflow, allowing multiple actions with a single press. Motion-activated backlit buttons and LCD screen. Easily find the right button even in the dark with motion-activated backlighting, providing excellent visibility and convenience in low-light environments. With the improved scroll will ensure smoother navigation and enhanced durability. Convenient API integration seamlessly integrate with popular platforms like IFT or iOS shortcut by simply copying and pasting URLs for each activity. This easy setup empowers you to bring your intelligent ideas to life, offering a variety of creative solutions and enhancing your smart home experience. Lift to wake feature: simply lift the universal remote control to instantly light up the screen, providing immediate control without pressing any buttons. The energy-efficient design ensures the screen turns off when not in use, conserving battery life. Never lose your remote again. Say goodbye to the frustration of lost remotes with our Universal Remote's innovative Find My Remote feature. Simply use our SofaBaton app to instantly and effortlessly locate your remote, which will emit a sound to ensure you always stay in control. Ergonomic comfort and perfect gift, made of comfortable materials, moderate size and reasonable button layout to keep you away from hand fatigue. Just one thumb can easily reach every key you want without moving your hand. Ideal for both left and right-handed users, it's the perfect practical gift that delights tech lovers and movie fans alike, making birthdays, Christmas, housewarmings, and special occasions even more memorable. SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote Control, Universal Remote, Smart Remote, Harmony Remote, Bluetooth Remote. All-in-one smart universal remote control for with hub and app. SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote with simple setup smartphone app. Control your various devices. Save yourself the trouble of finding the remote control. Just enjoy the convenience brought by SofaBaton X1S. One remote to replace them all. The X1S remote can replace up to 60 devices, including IR, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi devices, eliminating the clutter of multiple remotes. Powerful Cloud Code Library. Equipped with a powerful cloud code library, it supports over 6,000 brands and 500,000 home entertainment devices, ensuring seamless compatibility. One-touch smart control. Easily control your TV, sound system, projectors and more with the X1S, enhancing your convenience and lifestyle. User-friendly design. With a simple and intuitive interface, you'll be able to get started quickly and enjoy the benefits of smart living. Automatic updates. Supports automatic updates to ensure your remote is always compatible with the latest devices. Comfortable grip. Made of comfortable materials, moderate size and reasonable button layout to keep you away from hand fatigue. Just one thumb can easily reach every key you want without moving your hand. In conclusion, the SofaBaton remote is a must-have for anyone tired of dealing with multiple remotes. It simplifies your setup, reduces clutter, and makes it easy to control all your devices. If you're struggling with remote control chaos, I highly recommend giving it a try. If you're struggling with remote control chaos, I'd love to hear about it. Comment below and let me know how you currently manage your devices. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and tips.